All right, here's try it 1.54 from OpenStax PreCalculus. We're given this table, a way to represent a function, and asked to find and interpret f of 60 and f inverse of 60. So first you have to read a little bit about this table that comes above here. But in short, all it says is that I define this function f, and it tells me how many miles this car has traveled in this many minutes. Note that this function is a one-to-one function, so therefore I can talk about the inverse of this function. So f of 60. f of 60 is asking me what comes out of this function when I put 60 into it. Well, here's the inputs up here. If I put 60 into it, it looks like 50 would come out. So f of 60 equals 50, which tells me that after 60 minutes, the car, someone's traveled 50 miles. And that's it. That's all f of 60 represents. F is a function, 60 is the input, and as you can see from the table, 50 would be the output. Similarly, f inverse is a function. It's the inverse function of this function f. So f inverse of 60 I can evaluate by going down here and thinking about, well, f inverse is another function that is defined by just taking the inputs of the original function and switching them with the outputs of the original function. So what I'm saying is now I'm putting these things into my f inverse function. And so if I put 60 as my input, here it is right here, what would come out? Looks like that would be this 70 right here. Okay, and the interpretation for this one, well, now the input is the 60, and remember this 60 here represents miles. So the input is 60 miles and the output is 70 minutes. So maybe to travel 60 miles, it will take 70 minutes. Something like that.